How gorgeous is that? Neo mint color, amazing. It's bright, it's popping. Welcome back to another video, guys. As you can tell by the title and see behind me, we have the all-new 2022 Seadoo Wake 170 Neo Mint in color. I got the cover on. I want to talk about a couple of things that I really like that I haven't seen before. But before we do that, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss any more videos. We have a ton of fun coming this summer with the jet ski with the new camper, which we'll be showing in another video. So make sure you stay tuned. So as I mentioned, there's a couple things on the cover that I really like. We do have the big front storage bin in the front. We have the rear tie down as well as tie downs on the side for when you're at the dock. And this cover allows you to access every single part of it. On the front, you have a Velcro flap that's going to flip up. Zippers that zip all the way around, and that will give you access to your entire front compartment, which is super handy, so you don't have to take the entire cover off. Air vent holes, like I mentioned, you have tie down access front and rear, and on the back you have access to your tie down as well as the rear of the jet ski. Now this has cleats, 2 on each side, that are going to go underneath the entire rail of the jet ski, and it prevents that cover from coming up, catching air, and possibly blowing off. How gorgeous is that? Neo mint color, amazing. It's bright, it's popping. We have the fiberglass obviously on top with that Polytech hull like the Seadoo Sparks have. It is not the Wake Pro 230. I think it's the 230 that has the fiberglass hull. This one does have the Polytech Wake 170, and I love it. I love the colors. I love the orange. We have a lot of features, so let's get to them. So this ski comes in at 170 horsepower. I think it's around that 700-pound mark. 3 riders. It has a pretty large gas tank. It's right at 16 gallons on the fuel tank. It has a massive storage bin in the front, which we're going to be looking at here in a minute. It is just under 40 gallons with a glove box. It has your tow mirrors. It has your wake ski pylon. It's got your wakeboard holders. And of course, like I mentioned, that premium audio system. It does have IBR, ski modes, normal riding. I think it's got an eco mode. So I'm really excited to get out on the water and test it all out. We'll start on the front here. Colors awesome. I love the orange that goes with the Neo Mint. We'll open up and see inside. We do have the digital display, which I'll turn on here in a minute. It's just the amber display. It is not the fancy Wake Pro 2-screen with GPS and everything. Gas strut assisted to lift it up. 38-gallon storage bin. We have the wakeboard holder in here. We did get the Seadoo prep package, which includes your fire extinguisher, your safety kit, which I think has a whistle and different items like that. Gas tank's going to be under there. It'll have to be lifted up every single time. Tow mirrors on each side, and the premium audio system from BRP, which I love. I like the way that it sits on the jet ski. I like the way that it looks. All the controls for Bluetooth accessibility. Your storage bin underneath has your watertight cell phone holder and some extra storage if you want it. Now, the only thing this did not come with that I really wanted was the 12-volt plug, but we're gonna get one of those. We're gonna get it installed ourselves. Super easy. Everything's ready to go. The battery is just below the seat here, so it's going to be really short wire to run. Super simple. As we move down the jet ski here, wakeboard holder is going to go onto there. Super simple, just pop it in and out. It does come with your nice mats. This is something we can take off and replace if we want to. We can get some really custom colors going and some custom designs, which I think would be really cool, but it does have your Seadoo logo on the back. Wakeboard pylon comes standard. Link system, everybody knows about these. You can run coolers, you can run all kinds of stuff back here. One drain plug and a hose hookup so you can run it out of the water. Engine compartment, not the biggest area to work on, but better than the Seadoo Spark, having that tiny little cover on the side and having to work through it. So full size here. Batteries just below, so super easy to get to. Digital display, like I mentioned, pretty simple display. You got your trim system on the right, fuel gauge on the left, miles per hour, kilometers, RPM gauge, hour meter, 0 hours. Like I said, we only started this thing just real quick because we didn't have a hose connected to it, but we're gonna have this thing on the water very soon. Alrighty guys, so that's where we're going to leave it. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. My goal is to be the first one on the water 2022 with this jet ski. Now I know there's been demos and different things like that, but in Missouri, as you can tell in the back of these videos, we still have snow on the ground. Water's only about 45 degrees, but next week it's supposed to get up in the 50s, close to the 60s. So our goal is to get this thing on the water. If you saw a camper in the background, we're gonna be doing another video on that because we got a new one of those. Also, let me know if you want to see anything, ask any questions, and we will see you on the next one.